Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use trackpad gestures on Magic Keyboard on iPad Pro M5. So first, open a random app just to show you. When we, with 3 fingers, scroll up, it takes us to the home screen. If we scroll and hold, we open the background apps. Now, still with 3 fingers, swipe left or right to switch between the apps. Now, with 2 fingers, we need to open first something when we can scroll. So, for example, Wikipedia. Okay, we don't even need to open it. Just with 2 fingers, when we swipe up, we scroll down, and swiping down, we scroll up. Now, with 2 fingers, you can zoom in or zoom out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.